Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create this gorgeous swing or jhula for our little Krishna. So I have already shown my little Krishna in previous video. If you haven't seen yet, I have given the link in description box. You can check there. And this is practically working swing, so you can swing this using chain. And without any further delay, let's start with procedure. So here I am taking 90 GSM green cardstock, which is 21 by 8 centimeters, and from one corner I am just rolling it and creating the pipe. Create as thin as possible. Secure and using glue. And this is done. Then here I am taking 15 by 10 centimeter light green cardstock and just adding little glue on the edge and sticking my green color pipe with this. Now start rolling cardstock around the pipe and create one thick pipe. Now chopping the excess green paper from top and from the bottom like this. So here actually I am sharing you how to create the pillars for our swing. Now I am going to wrap golden color paper strip around this in a spiral manner. This is 5 mm strip. Then alternatively I am connecting red color 5 mm strip like this. So in short, I have covered from both the shades and this is looking very festive now. Then here I am taking 20 mm light brown color strip and wrapping it in the bottom of the pipe so that it will have nice base when we will make it stand. And exactly in the center of this I am adding again golden color paper strip. So this is done. With the similar method I have prepared 3 more, so we need total 4 pillars for 4 sides, and for the topmost side we need one more pipe which is 14 centimeter wide, and here instead of red I have wrapped the pipe using green and golden paper. Rest the process is same. So all our pipes are ready to create the swing. Now to create base, here I am taking 14 by 10 centimeter cardboard piece and I am covering it using off-white color cardstock. So just adding glue. folding all 4 sides and chopping the corners and covering it nicely. Similarly, I am going to cover the other side. So the base is ready. Now in 4 corners I am adding glue and sticking my pillars, adding little bit of glue on top of pillar as well, so that we can join 2 pillars with each other. Hold it like this for a few seconds, adding another 2 on these sides, another 2 corners, and this is completely done. I had just wrapped orange color strips in the bottom of all pillars to give it more strength and to have nice finished look. Now here I have prepared the base for swing, which is 10 by 10 cm cardboard piece. I have wrapped it using red and green cardstock. And now to create the hanging, we need one hole in the corner. So to create the hole here, I am using my pointed tweezer. Then I am taking here T-pin in silver color, passing one sequin through this so that it will not break the hole. From top I am passing one golden pearl, cutting excess wire and twisting it using plier to create the loop. So using this loop we can pass our golden chain to make our swing practically working. And this is done. With the similar method I have already added 4 pearls in 4 corners with the loops. Then to construct the swing from all 4 sides, here I am taking 11 by 3 cm red cardstock. I have just folded it at 1 cm and also small 1 cm in one corner, added double-sided tape in the bottom, so just removing the liner and sticking it on the side of the base. Burnish it nicely, and similarly I am going to cover it on remaining 3 sides. So this is done. Now on the back side for finishing I am adding one 10 by 10 cm pink color cardstock. So the swing center basket is ready. Then here I have passed golden chain through this by adding golden jump ring, and the length of chain I have taken is approximately 9 centimeters. So you can take it up to your choice, and I have added the chain in all 4 loops. Now taking one more golden jump ring, passing through the topmost part of chain and passing through one golden ring. This is the big size ring. So we need to pass 2 chains from one ring and repeating it on both the sides, and our working swing will look like this. I'm also passing my green color pillar through this and it will work like this. Very pretty. Then here I am taking this beautiful die cut out piece which I have created using gold mirror cardstock, white cardstock and yellow cardstock. So I am decorating my center swing part using these beautiful die cutouts from 3 sides. Adding the die cutout from outer side and also from inner side for finishing look. So you can use any kind of die whatever you have, or if you don't have dies you can use any border punch and decorate the swing from all 4 sides using border design. Also you can decorate with crochet lace or any zardozi lace. Whatever you have you can decorate your swing with that. Now in the front I am decorating with this beautiful decorative border design. And the beautiful swing is ready. Then here I am going to wrap one more red color 5mm strip by leaving little gap from the top. This I am doing to stop my golden ring when we will swing. So the ring should not move here and there. So to lock the ring from top we have to add these tight coils. And by leaving little gap I am adding one more red 5mm strip. So between these two strips our ring will fit perfectly and it will stay in place when we will swing. Similarly I have added 2 tight coils already on right side. Then taking back my base swing and decorating the base using gold acrylic color by adding some dots here and there. Then in the front portion of the swing I have passed one more T-pin along with the pearl. So just twisting the front wire and creating the loop. Here I am making the mechanism from which we can hold the swing and we can swing our Krishna. Now passing one golden chain through the loop. And at the end I am adding one pearl bead on other end of chain like this. Now taking both the rings, passing green color pipe through this and sticking it on top of the pillars. So fitting the ring exactly in both the tight coils like this. Hold it for a few minutes. And our swing is completely ready. It's working completely fine. Very smooth. Now I'm decorating both the corners using this beautiful flower cutout. And the gorgeous paper swing for our little Krishna is completely ready. Now I'm putting my Krishna inside the swing and you can celebrate the Janmashtami festival with your handmade decorative swing along with the Krishna. Isn't it looking very pretty? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.